Why is Docker essential for DevOps? Some key benefits of Docker for data science are 1. Fast, consistent deployments. Docker's container-based platform allows you to create automated build and deployment workflows. 2. Environment standardization. Docker containers encapsulate all their dependencies and configuration. 3. Portability. Docker containers and images are entirely portable. You can build locally, deploy to the cloud, and run anywhere. This allows a build once, run anywhere workflow, which is ideal for DevOps. 4. Scalability. It is easy to scale Dockerized applications by spinning up or tearing down additional containers. This facilitates an easy path to scale up or down in response to demand changes. 5. Isolation. Docker containers run in a separate space and have their own file system, CPU, memory, process space, and network interfaces. 6. Tooling and automation. Docker includes many tools to facilitate automated workflows. All of these tools allow DevOps engineers to build automation and tools around the Docker platform. Docker Compose for running multi-container applications. Docker Registry for storing and sharing container images. Docker Desktop includes Kubernetes for container orchestration. Docker and Docker for nested container workflows.